Snoring is a troubling condition for millions of people worldwide. While it might simply be an annoyance for some, it could also be an indication of a serious health condition. If you or somebody you know snores, try using these tips to treat it. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Heavenly Fitness. Here you will find the best tips related to your health and fitness. Please subscribe our channel and keep supporting us by smashing that like button. Changing sleeping positions can help stop snoring. Lying on your back could cause your head to tilt too far back or forward, resulting in an obstruction of your airway. Sleep on your side and it will make it easier for you to sleep, put less stress on your neck, and can reduce your snoring. Keeping your weight under control is an important factor in avoiding snoring. Body weight may not always exacerbate snoring. However, if there is extra fat within the neck area, your airways could be constricted and this does lead to snoring. If you begin to snore more often or more severely after gaining some weight, you have one more reason to work off those excess pounds. Turmeric curcumin really helps you in losing those extra pounds and provide a strong immunity. You can put this product in use for a better health. Link in the description. Stay away from drugs that are illegal. Illicit drugs can be a major contributor to your snoring problem. Drugs that relax you, like marijuana, can make you snore. Of course, painkillers that you find on the street have these same relaxing effects as well. You might like the relaxed feeling when you are still awake, but once you fall asleep, you will snore. Your doctor can give you information about any of your medications that could be causing snoring. If you notice snoring begins or increases after beginning prescription medications, talk with your doctor. There are several types which can relax your muscles. This just might result in a restricted airway. This will lead to snoring. Replace your pillow with a firmer one to reduce your snoring. A soft pillow allows your head to fall into a position which causes your throat to collapse. Because the airflow is restricted, you start to snore. One way you can help keep these passageways open is to use a firmer pillow. Do you snore frequently? Then watch what you eat right before bedtime. Many foods and beverages contain mild sedatives, which can cause the muscles located in your throat to relax too much. This causes them to collapse inward, thereby obstructing your air passageway, which ultimately results in snoring. Before you go to bed, try drinking some water. Eating dairy products can cause snoring. This is true even for those who are not known to be lactose intolerant. Dairy products stimulate your body to produce more phlegm, which can then fill your nose and throat and make it difficult to breathe. To determine if this is the cause of your snoring, avoid that glass of warm milk and try a cup of warm tea instead. Have a small spoon or honey, or two, before going to sleep. No one seems to know why honey is such an effective treatment, but many people swear by it. Honey is used in folk remedies to soothe many health conditions, so it is not surprising that it may help snoring as well. Consider whether or not internal nasal dilators might help your snoring. Those who snore through their nasal passages can benefit significantly from this device. This apparatus goes inside your nasal passages to keep them open. This method is effective in relieving nasal-based snoring. Keeping your mouth open during sleep contributes to snoring, because the noise of snoring stems from air passing down the throat through the mouth. If you breathe through your nose, air will not go down your throat and you will be less likely to snore. You can use chin straps or mouth sealant to stop mouth breathing. Talk to your pharmacist about these types of treatment aids. Avoid anything that may depress your nervous system and cause snoring, like sleeping pills or drinking alcohol. Sleep apnea, and the subsequent cardiovascular system damage, may be the result of abusing depressants. So make an effort to avoid these items. Don't use alcohol or sleeping aids in an attempt to stop snoring. Most drugs with a depressant or muscle relaxant effect will slow down the nerves and make your jaw and throat muscles relax, potentially making your breathing easier. When the muscles are overly relaxed, it can worsen snoring, or cause snoring for people that do not typically snore. Use caution, as some of these chemicals can cause sleep apnea. Snoring can really take a toll on your relationship. If left unchecked, your snoring may drive your partner from your bed. Since snoring is bad for a relationship, it's important to seek treatment early. Nasal strips can help reduce snoring. Nasal strips have adhesive that pushes each side of the nose, forcing the nostrils to open further. This wider air passageway helps you breathe better so that you won't snore nearly as much. Nasal strips do not assist if you have a condition called sleep apnea. For that you'll have to seek out a medical professional's help. A good tip for people who have allergies in addition to snoring is that it's best for them to avoid antihistamines before bedtime. In addition to making the user drowsy, antihistamines tend to relax the air passages too much, increasing the odds of snoring. If you need one for another medical issue, take it before dinner. If you notice that you are snoring, you may need to change your eating schedule. Try to eat dinner well before bedtime, and do not overeat. Drink a cup of tea with a little honey before going to bed, as this will relax your throat. Try eating a bit of honey just before sleeping to decrease your snoring. It is known to open up the airway and soothe your throat. This means you will be able to breathe easier. This will reduce your snoring and allow you to get more restful sleep at night. As shown, snoring is typically simply a nuisance. However, it may also be signaling you that something more critical is at hand. Chronic snoring needs to be addressed by the family physician. Using these tips are a great way to treat snoring under the supervision of a medical professional. If you liked our video, then please don't forget to give a like to this video and subscribe our channel.